First things first, I appreciate your support. Now this is a top loader, an LG. There's something I need to tell you. Correct installation is very important. You see this machine here, the machine is filling water at the same time it's draining water because of siphoning. Water is coming in and going out. Why? The pipe should be hooked up here, but now check, the pipe is flat on the ground, so the machine is draining at the same time it's filling water. So that's a waste. You're wasting water, you're wasting electricity, you're wasting time. When you have a washing machine like this one, my client moved houses, so it's easy to install a top load compared to a front loader, but now it was poorly installed. The machine was giving an IE error code, meaning the machine is taking too long to fill water to the required level. Lucky enough with an LG, it will waste water for a few minutes, then it will give you an error and it will stop. We have brands like Beko. No error code. The machine might wash forever. So if you have water in the tank, that will go to waste. So guys, always read the manual or calling the right person who understands how this washing machine works. See, it's simple. This pipe should be hooked here permanently. Just get a piece of cloth, a piece of rope, and make sure the pipe is raised and permanently hooked. It's simple and it will save you a lot, but you guys ignore this. You see that water level? Imagine you put it on level 5 or level 8 and the pipe is flat on the ground. Water will be coming in and going out at the same time. That's a big waste. So something simple. Don't do shortcuts. You can get an extension. Get a pipe extension, an inlet, a longer inlet pipe. Get a longer outlet pipe. It will save you a lot. Like this one here, I used an inlet pipe to join it temporarily, but you should get a correct drainage pipe. These machines cost a lot, so spend an extra cash to get the job done. If you are unlucky, I mean, you might end up replacing the solenoid valves. Some of these brands, the solenoid valves overheat and it will affect the control panel, the power control panel. This is avoidable. Some of these brands don't have spare parts. They don't have a service center. You'll keep blaming the brand and something avoidable. Don't play yourself. Do the right thing and the machine will give you good service. The brand doesn't matter. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. I love you guys. I'm out.